Didn't think I'd see this again so soon, but again, we've got an electrical panel and we've got a sink. What do we got in here? Sub panel. I'm in an illegal basement suite, and this suite actually goes really well with the series that I'm going through right now with legalizing existing illegal suites. This one's illegal, and the city actually would never approve or legalize this one. And I'm going to show you why, the code violations that happened in this one. It's really unfortunate. So the homeowner went and did this without obviously contractors or permitting, and there's some really big fails. They put money in though. You can see they actually put in nice appliances. They got a sink, they have a dishwasher down here, oven, fridge, so and a laundry just right next to me. So they put a lot of money into it, and they put the time into it, and really failed on the layout and the design. The unfortunate thing is it's going to be pretty costly now to correct all this stuff. So all this appliances and would have to be removed. There should be an actual wall framed, and then all the plumbing and electrical needs to be reran in order to do this correctly. And also the appliances need to be shifted over. They have an exterior wall here. They should have framed in an actual false interior wall in front of it, and then put all the plumbing, so the water lines, the drain lines, inside that interior wall so it wouldn't freeze. So this, when it gets down to minus 30, the water stops flowing. The lines didn't break, they didn't burst, but they stopped working. And so that means they're very close to actually bursting if it gets cold enough. Layout could have been totally different. They could have saved themselves the cost of now having all this stuff corrected, and this suite would never be legalized by the city.